Hey guys, I'm Neha Naik and welcome to Get Curried. So today we are gonna make chicken drumsticks, and usually drumsticks are either shallow fried or deep fried. But today we are gonna bake it. So let's get started. In a bowl I've taken 6 chicken drumsticks. I've trimmed all the excess fat and I've washed them. Now to this we'll be adding all the spices. We'll start with black pepper. I've taken 1 teaspoon of it. Then goes in chili powder, about a teaspoon. Red chilli powder, again a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon garlic powder. 2 teaspoon of chicken masala. 1 teaspoon and a half of chilli flakes. Salt to taste. And a teaspoon of honey. We'll mix this. Make sure you massage all the spices well in the chicken. Now we'll be adding around a tablespoon of oil. And some chopped coriander. Now we'll keep the chicken for marination for about an hour's time. If you want to lessen that time, you can just make deep gashes in the chicken before you marinate it. So 1 hour is up and the chicken is marinated. Let's get started. We'll be now greasing our cake tin. Make sure you cover the bottom very nicely with the butter. Our cake tin is now greased and ready. Let's put in the chicken drumsticks. I've already preheated the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and now the chicken will go in for baking for around 45 to 50 minutes. So the chicken is almost ready. We'll prepare our coriander and butter mixture. So what I'm going to do is, I've taken around 1/4 cup of coriander and around a tablespoon of butter. I'll microwave this and then we'll put this on the hot chicken. We'll keep this mixture aside and get the chicken out. Our chicken is done. Now we'll sprinkle some grated cheese on it. And then our coriander and butter mixture. Once this is done, we'll broil the chicken for about 2 to 3 minutes at the same temperature. So mouth-watering baked chicken drumsticks are ready. You can try it at your next house party and let us know in the comment section below. For such easy baking recipes, stay tuned to Get Curried.